Price action is putting in an ascending triangle. I'm going to be here on the 4-hour. We can see that we have a series of higher lows setting up. We have a structure shelf right here of our highs setting up. And we do have room to the upside, right? We're holding right at our previous level of structure right in here. Our next level of structure is going to be our VS1 level up around the 110 even handles, right? Next significant level of structure, I should say, because there's always little smaller levels in between, but our next significant level of structure will be up there near the 110 even handle. There is opportunity to the upside here. So we're looking at a potential ascending triangle and a move up to 110s here. I'm going to get this into our chat real quick, then we'll go down and we'll talk about it a little more. Again, we always talk about 3 ways to trade these things: before, during, or after the break. Before is setting yourself up prior to the break, so that could be some type of tight consolidation at the upper part of the range here, and then looking for a break to the upside. It could be another retest, right? So maybe price action retraces a little bit. We continue our patterns of higher lows, and you find some sort of reason to get involved down here. It could be trend line related or just kind of price pattern related. Or you wait for the breakout and get involved during the breakout. So putting a buy limit order right on top of this bad boy right here and buy as it breaks up. Or of course you can wait for the pullback, where you wait for the higher high, higher close, the pullback into structure, and the move up. And again, if you're new, there are pros and cons to all of these. There is no, I haven't gotten this question in a while, probably because people are bored with the answer, but it's like, what is the best way to do it? And the answer is there is no best way. It's all about your personal preference and what you feel comfortable with. So there's no best way. There is only the best way for you. And my advice, the thing that matters the most, is that you're consistent with that approach. But decent opportunity there on Euro dollar 60-minute. Similar thing. You can see the consolidation at the upper VS1 level. George said, could it be a butterfly? Yeah, technically, yeah. We did not pass our X leg with this. So yep, can certainly be a butterfly. It's going to give you a deep completion point. Let's see where it's at. We'll draw it out a few ways, because there's a few ways to do a butterfly. This one would actually be very similar to the main 2 ways, but we'll just you can take a 127 extension either from A to B or A back to X. We'll do the A back to X inversion. And that'll put you right up there at that 110 even handle. So that butterfly completion area, it would be a little bit lower if you took A to B, but it'll put you right at that VS1 level. A little stop and reverse action, huh? A little stop and reverse action. Bullish breakout to the upside, little CTS stop and reverse, butterfly 3 points, major structure 2 points. Huh? Good find, yeah, good find. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button. Also, make sure you subscribe, that way you don't miss the next one. And if you want to join us for the live sessions and see a few hours of analysis like this each and every day, you can do so. Just head over to www.tier1trading.com, set up that 14-day risk-free trial membership, hop in the London live room, hop in the New York live room, and take advantage of all the other things we have available for you on the platform, www.tier1trading.com. See you there.